Hi, welcome to Code Chappy. Today we're going to see the demo for bank app using Android Studio. Let's see how to start the Android project. First, open the XAMPP control panel and open it. Apache is a package server. MySQL is a database storage. Start Apache and start MySQL. Start MySQL admin buttons. It promote open web browser. Now database is open in left side. Further, it see this project. Next, open the Android Studio and open it. It left side web folders. Android SRC is a Android Studio build folders. Below minimize button, you can see the AVD manager icons. Click and open it. Click here launch buttons. Now emulator is loaded. This is how to start the Android project. Let's move the app explanations. Open bank app. There are two models, user admins. Let's move the user registers. Click user registers. Enter the new user registers details like name, email ID. Enter all the details. Enter the mobile number, valid mobile number, because OTP is in the verifications. Next, you can enter the account number, account name. You can enter the account number and enter the IFSC code. Next, you can choose the account type. What account type you can saving or current, you can choose it. Next, you can enter the account balance. Next, click the register successfully. Next, you can go to the automatically verifications of OTP. Enter the OTP numbers and login. Click login. OTP verified successfully. Next, you go to the user logins. Enter user email ID and password. What are the creates user register? You can enter these email ID and passwords. Click login. Login successfully. User will manage the models like apply loans. First, you can click the check balance. You can view the balance details. If you want to order that, you can view it. Now come back to the home page. Click apply for loans. If you want to create the new loans, enter the loan details like loan name, first name. You can enter the date of birth. Choose the date of birth. Example October 12, 2000 or anything. You can choose it. Next, you can set, and next you can choose a mobile number. You can mobile numbers. And next you can choose a gender, male or female. So you can enter the address. Next, you can choose a loan purpose, gold or anything. You can choose it. Next, you can enter the account numbers. You can enter account number and you can enter the PAN card numbers. Anything you can enter it. Enter the Aadhaar card number. Next, you can click the submit it. You can successfully apply the bank loans. What are the loans creates? You can view the my loan details. What are the loans? You can enter the dummy Aadhaar card number, dummy PAN card number, dummy account number. If you want to cancel the loan, you can cancel it. The status are now pending. Admin will managing the status. Next, you can click the deposit check. If you want to update the check, enter the check details like amount. Next, you can enter the account number. Automatically ID was set up. Next, you can choose the files and you can choose it, check, you can submit it. What are the deposit you can enter? You can view the view deposit. Now come back to the home page. Next, click the view deposit. What are the deposit creates? You can view the deposit list. If you want to search, like easily find the details. Now come back to the home page. Next, you can click the make transfer. If you want to send the transfer amounts in other person's details, enter username, account number, IFSC codes, amount. Enter all the details. Click transfer, successfully transferred. Next you can click the AC statement. What are the persons who can another the statement? You can view the details, send the money, you can view all the details. Next you can click the make a payment. If you want to send the make payment, or you can recharge the mobile number, you can enter the first, you can enter name. Next you can choose the Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, anything you can choose it. Next you can enter the valid mobile number, because rechargeable for this mobile number. Next you can enter the account amount, what amount you can recharge. You can click recharge, successfully recharged. Next you can click the helpline. You can view the statement, transactions IDs are there. Click the helpline, you can admin or gmail.com say help. If you want any help, you can ask for them. If you want to click the check balance, you can view the check balance details. If you want to update the contact details, you can update it. Now log out the user models. Let's move the admin login. Click admin login. Enter admin email ID and password. Admin email ID is admin@gmail.com, password is test. Click login successfully. Next you can click the approve loan. What are the loans users I create? You can view the loan details. If you want to update the status are now pending. If you want to update, click update. Approval or reject, anything you can update it and save it. Next let's move the user logins. You can enter the user at gmail.com, password is test. Click login successfully. Click the my loan. You can view the loan details. Status are now approval. You can view status. Now log out the user models. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.